Hello friends, my name is Salman and you are watching my channel Learn Tech with Salid. In this channel I will discuss tech related tips and tricks and tutorials. Please keep watching my channel and get informative tech related information. Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how to use Google Drive, what are the main functions of Google Drive, and you can use, after watching this video, you can use like a pro. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what is Google Drive? Basically, Google Drive is a cloud storage provided by the Google. We have 4 integrated apps with Google Drive like Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slide and Google Forms. You can say Google Docs is equivalent to Microsoft Word, and Google Sheet is equivalent to Microsoft Excel, and Google Slide is equivalent to Microsoft PowerPoint. And here we have a new app which is called Google Forms. Basically, Google Forms is used for some functionality like queries and some quizzes. So we use Google Forms. Okay. In this, these all application in combined, we call them a Google Suite or G Suite. Okay, now our move to our next slide. Why we use Google Drive? Okay, because we use Google Drive because it's work all the devices like personal computer, mobile and tablet. You can create any file from PC and you can access from your mobile and tablets, or you can sync at any time, and you can access from anywhere. At least you should have an internet connection. Okay, let's move to what feature I most like is the autosave feature. When you works on any file, it file will save automatically, and you don't need to press save button and save as button. Okay. Another feature of the Google Drive is collaboration, which means you can share your file with multiple users. For example, you have a project and you have 3 members of their project. They all together work at the same time, and they can change in their document, and the Google Drive sync all their changes, and you can collaborate easily. Another feature with the Google Drive, it's work offline. I will show you in my future video that how can we set their settings to work offline. And last, the Google Drive is very safe and secure. So your data is safe forever, and you can get it whenever you need it. Okay. Another feature is that Google Drive and Google Docs and Google Suite is work with Microsoft Office Suite as well. At this moment, Google offer 15 GB space with Google account, so you have plenty of space because 15 GB is well enough space for creating or saving documents. Now we move to our learning objective. Now first we move to the GUI of Google Drive, graphical user interface of the application. So now we move to our application. As you can see, I have installed an Chrome extension which is called Shortcut to Google, which provide me the functionality of single click. I can access all the Google apps, like example Google Drive, Gmail, YouTube, Google Play Store. So you can download from the Google Play Play Store, Chrome Play Store, this shortcut. Okay. Now move to the. You can also open your Google Drive by typing the URL drive.google.com. It will ask you about your credential, and once you enter your credential, you will get the screen like me. Okay, On the top we have a Google Drive icon, and beside this we have a search in Google Drive. If we want to search anything our Google document, we simply go there and search our document by name, by date, and by their types. Okay, now move to the left side of the screen. We have a new button. The new button is used for creating a new documents or new form, new Google Doc. So also when we press the Google plus icon, we have the option like we can create a folder, we can upload a file from our PC, we can upload from a folder from our PC. We also create a Google Docs from there. We can also, same way we can also create Google Sheet, Google Slide, and Google Forms from here. So in this way, this is the button where we can create and upload our files. By default, we are in the hierarchy of My Drive. Basically, when we click on My Drive, the right pane changes here. First of all, you can see it has 3 sections. The main section, the topmost section is called Quick Access. It shows all the files which you access recently, and as you can see, it shows that this file is shared by today. Same wise, the next section is called, the next section contains the folder you have in your Google Drive. As you can see, I have folders name, Google extension, classroom, Google tips and tricks, and after that we have a file sections. We have so many files in the bottom. You can change your view by clicking, this is the grid view, and you can change the detail view by clicking this. This is the grid view, and this is the default view, which is grid view, and you can change it by clicking this. This is a detail view. In detail view, you can see I am the owner of this documents, and when I last modified, and our file size. As you can see here is show our file size. The default view is grid view. Just click on that icon, it will show you quick access bar, folder bar, and your files. So My Drive have 3 sections: quick access, folders, and files. In the same way, if we move down, we have an icon which states that shared with me. Basically, what does it mean? It means when someone share any document with me, I will get from here in My Drive. Okay, I will just click it, and you can see I have one file shared with someone. Okay, if I want to see the detail of this file, I just change my view, and you can see it is shared by Salman Hidayatullah, which shared time 9:46 p.m. Okay, I will again change the view to grid view. In the same, at the bottom, you can see a reset icon which shows the recent document I have opened or accessed. Same way in the down, we have starred documents. What does it mean? It means if I want to, I have some important document and I want to reach this document very quickly, I just add and star it in it. How does it work? I move my mouse to any desired document and just right click and click on share folder, move to add to star, and I add 1 star over here, and I go to and I add to star. So you can see I have 2 documents which is very important for me, so I mark them with a star. So when I want them, I just go to the star icon and click them. As you can see, we can mark them as a star. If we want to unstar them, it is very simple. Just right click on them and remove from the star, and just click on the remove of star. So you can see it will go away from here. At the bottom we have another icon which is trash. trash is just equivalent to recycle bin in Windows. So if we want to delete any file, for example, I like to delete this file, I right click them and I click on remove. As soon as click on remove, this file will go to in my trash folder. So as you can see, and we can delete from here if we don't need them, and we can restore from its original location. So we restore our original location. At the bottom we have last icon which is called storage. As you can see, I am using 2 MB out of my 15 GB storage. If we want to more storage, I have an option here which is called buy storage. I just click on it and you can see the Google's plans. 50 GB is free and 100 GB is about Pak rupees $2 per month. Okay, in this way, if we want to get more storage, I will buy from here. So guys, no thanks, I don't want to upgrade at the moment. Now let's move our next point, which is called create a folder, upload a file and folder from our PC. Okay, if we want to create a folder, we just go to new plus button and click over here, and the first option is folder. We just click on it. It will ask about the name of the folder. I will call it my first folder and click on create button. As you can see, it will create a new folder, my first folder. Google Chrome sort your folder alphabetically. So my first folder is beneath my Chrome folder. If we for your demo, if I create a folder with AAA, it will come on the top. As you can see, is alphabetically arrange my folder, so AA always come to the top. So in this way we can easily create our folders. If we want to move any file from to our folder, we have two options. First option is just click and drag and drop into our folder. As you can see, we have a file in our AA folder. In the second way is very easy way. If we want to move any file, we just right click on this file and click on move to, and Google Drive asks me which folder I want to move. So I just click on any folder and click on move. As you can see, I have moved 2 files in my AA folder. So in this way we can move any file from our Google Drive to my folder. Now let's move to our next item. Now we want to upload a file from our PC. So just click on plus sign and click on upload a file. It will ask me about my files, so I can choose any file. This is the picture of my daughter, so I can upload it. I click open it and it will upload the picture of my daughter. Okay, same way you can upload any folder from your drive. Okay, so if I want to make I want to add any folder, I just move to that folder and this is the folder for your example, and I just click upload and then I will click upload. If your size of your folder is too large, it will take too much time, but if it is very small folder, it will take nothing. As you can see, now my folder is uploaded in my file. So as you can see, we can easily upload our files, folders, and we can move our file from one folder to another folders. So move to our next item, which is move file, which I already demonstrate how can we move one file to another folder and one folder to another folder. Same wise we can easily remove any file and folder. As you can see, I just right click on any desired file and folder and click on remove. It will remove and move to the trash folder. As you can see, it is in trash folder. Now again move on our slides. Okay, if we want to send any file from our Google Drive to Drive to any Gmail account or for any mail, we do it very simply. Okay, how does we do it? Just click on this icon and click on Gmail. So compose a new mail. And you can see that we can insert file using Google Drive. I just click on it and I insert a turtle pic here and just click on insert. So you can see that I am easily send any file to anyone. For example, I send it to my another test file and we just click send. Now as you can see, I introduced about the Google Drive, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So if you like my channel and subscribe my channel, I will make a video on Google Docs, Google Slides and Google Forms too. So again, thank you very much for your watching and giving me a time.